Pinpoint Weather, sponsored by San Diego's 2 men in a truck, movers who care.
A lot of people had the day off for President's Day, and if you were at the beach, it was packed today.
Absolutely. It felt like the 4th of July, and it looked like the 4th of July. Look at this photo. It was posted to our 10 News Weather Watchers Facebook group, and you can see there's a lot of people out there, and it's a beautiful day, clear skies. The water looks amazing, but it's about 60 degrees, so not necessarily a good idea to go in that water unless you have a wetsuit. Some of the highs for today, we made it into the 90s in Poway, El Cajon, La Mesa, 87, almost there here, and San Diego, 84 degrees, and also mid-80s in Carlsbad. As we go into the next 24 hours, we're going to start to see some changes. Tomorrow is still going to be hot, but it will be by tomorrow night when we'll start to see the change. Look at what happens in our 10 News Pinpoint Marine Futurecast. You can see those clouds moving in by Tuesday night, and that means the onshore flow is starting to return. Although north of us, they're going to see a much better chance of those clouds being very productive. Even the mountains are going to see a nice dose of snow. But every time we talked about El Nino, this is what we need. We need the snowpack to continue growing. We need to see a lot more snow, especially every time those systems move in. And then by Wednesday, rain over LA. Eventually, some of that is going to be heading in our direction, but not until late Wednesday into early Thursday. The best chance and the wettest day this week will certainly be on Thursday. Tonight, we drop it back down to the 50s. We'll see 51 in Poway, 59 in Carlsbad. It's going to be mild right along the coast and even along the 5. Areas like Chula Vista tonight, only 53 degrees. But then tomorrow, we'll see those numbers up into the 90s. El Cajon, Poway, Ramona, west of the mountains. That's where we're going to find the hottest places. Here's our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast. Low 80s at the coast. I'm sure if you still have the day off, it's going to be a busy day again at the beach on Tuesday. Otherwise, much cooler. Big drop, almost 20-degree difference from Tuesday to Wednesday. Inland areas will be near 90 or above 90 tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, near 80 degrees. Even cooler on Thursday with 69. We'll stay there on Friday. Enjoy the cool break because by the time the weekend rolls around, we'll go from 74 on Saturday to low 80s again on Sunday. And the heat will continue into next week. In the mountains, 72. We still have that offshore flow. It's still going to be windy in the mountains. Then we get rid of the wind and we see that shift on Wednesday.
Okay.